Hi friends, welcome back to TriniKidsTV, or welcome if this is your first time. Hi and welcome to Circle Time. We start our Circle Time by singing our good morning song. So let's all sing together, friends. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of our friends that are watching. Now, do we know what day of the week it is today? Well, my friends, it's Cooking Friday, and we all love Cooking Friday, don't we? And we are in the month of
October. October starts with the letter O.
It's time to find out about the weather. Now let's all sing the weather song together. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can look outside those windows and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, where Auntie is right now, it's a rainy day. Yes, but it's okay that it's a rainy day. We can do fun activities inside, like cooking, right? So we're going to have fun today with our cooking activity. Let's find out about our color of the day. Our color of the day is the color pink. How do we get pink, friends? Well, pink is one of those colors that you need to mix to get. You get pink when you mix red and white together, and you get pink. Can you think or find some things at home that might be pink? Bubblegum might be pink. Your favorite doll might be pink. Your sneakers might be pink. Yes, there are lots of pink things around. We just need to look carefully, right, friends? Yes. So, let's talk about our shape of the day. Our shape of the day today is a hexagon. Do we know what a hexagon is? Well, it looks like this, and it's one of those unique shapes. It might not be as popular as maybe a circle or a square, but we can definitely find a hexagon if we look very carefully. You can see the hexagon on your stop sign or your traffic sign that you might have around your neighborhood and on the highways. Alright, so the next time that you are out with your parents, look carefully and see if you can find a hexagon while you're driving down the road. Very good. Now, my friends, it's time for our number of the day. What's our number of the day? Our number of the day is the number 2. Yes, our number of the day is the number 2. What can we do to count to our number of the day? Well, we can shake our hands 2 times. Are you ready, friends? Let's go. And don't forget to count. 1, 2. 2 is our number of the day. Good job, friends. Give yourselves a hand. That was good handshaking. And don't forget, our number of the day is the number 2. Great job, friends. Now it's time for our letter of the day. What do you think our letter of the day is? Well, take a look.
Of the day is the letter K. K for kick. K for kiss. K for key. K.
Now that we know our letter of the day, it brings us to our area of the day. And don't we just love looking at all the areas in Trinidad and Tobago, around the Caribbean and around the world? Our area of the day is Korea. Korea has many beautiful places like palaces that they used to have that you can visit. They wear traditional clothes like the hanbok, and the way to say hello in Korean is annyeong. Annyeong. Our area of the day is Korea. Alright friends, now that we talked about our wonderful area of the day, it's time to get cooking on our Cooking Friday.
Our activity for today is a cooking activity. Today we are going to be making Jello Jigglers. That simply means that we're going to have fun creating Jello. Now you would need your parents' help to help you make the Jello. What you're going to do is just get a pack of Jello. Then you're going to make the Jello according to the instructions using hot water and stirring. So you definitely need to get your mommy or daddy's help for this one, right? After you mix together your Jello, you can add fresh fruits. Yes, you can add fresh fruits, whatever you have available to your Jello. Then you're going to put your Jello in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Once your Jello is set, you are ready to enjoy your nice jiggly Jello. Have fun with this activity, friends, and enjoy your wonderful Jello creation.
Alright my friends, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you next week. And in the meantime, you can take a look at all the wonderful videos on the channel. Don't forget to recommend us to a friend, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time, friends. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.